In this video, I am going to tell you how to fix Android Auto not working. So first, open settings, go to settings, scroll down and then go to apps. Then go to Android Auto. Now tap on permissions and enable all the permissions. If any permission is denied, allow all the permission. Then go back, click on force stop, click on OK. Then go to storage, click on clear data, then click on delete. Go back. Now go back and go back, scroll up and then go to connected devices. Then click on Android Auto and then start Android. Click on Start Android Auto automatically and then select Always. In this way, you can easily solve your Android Auto not working problem. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.